This 10-foot by 12-foot pergola will make an eye-catching visual statement in your backyard, while providing an inviting space for relaxing, chatting with friends and neighbors, hosting outdoor meals, or just enjoying a quiet moment. Sturdy 5.5-inch by 5.5-inch posts with classic plinths keep this pergola standing solid while ensuring a clear 360-degree view from underneath. Sleek straight-lined gussets support the decorative structure overhead. Its multi-level design with profiled beam and trellis ends creates a stylish look, one that conjures up images of villas and vacation destinations. It's beautiful on its own, or it could be made more distinctive by planting creeping vines or flowering plants around it. Its 100% premium exterior-grade cedar, covered in an environmentally friendly natural cedar color stain, will stand up to the elements. Cedar has many advantages for use in outdoor structures. It doesn't swell, warp, or decay. It's naturally resistant to insects, and it's naturally beautiful. All wood sections are pre-cut and pre-drilled for easier assembly. The pergola comes with simple-to-follow illustrated instructions, and we've created a helpful hints video to make your installation process easier as well. The Yardistry 10 by 12 pergola is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. It's the perfect space to entertain family and friends in your own personal oasis.